We all hear that tire rotation is important, but why? How often should you do it? Using tire rotation as preventative maintenance will help ensure your tires wear evenly, both front to back and side to side. This helps prevent an increase in pattern noise and prolongs the life of new tires. Tires on the front and rear axles perform very different tasks, and rotating tires every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for the first 10,000 miles allows each tire to spend time at each wheel position on the vehicle. If you have a minor 1/32 to 2/32 difference between front and rear tread depth, don't let that stop you from rotating tires as recommended. The small difference is unlikely to upset the balance between the front and rear axles. Remember, spreading the work of each wheel position amongst all the tires helps to keep the wear even, maintaining the vehicle's proper handling balance and helping to ensure any tire tread life warranty remains valid. Tires should be serviced periodically following the rotation patterns provided in the vehicle's owner's manual or as established by the tire industry. Your local Honda dealership is your local Honda authorized tire center, and where a Honda-trained technician can rotate your tires. Ask your Honda service advisor for more information.